In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create unique voices with ElevenLabs voice design. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by logging into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, look for the Voices section on the left sidebar. Here, you'll want to click on the Voice Lab. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Voice Lab, you can either select Voice Design or choose the option to generate a new voice. Either way, you are in for an exciting experience. Now, the fun begins with selecting the demographic details for your custom voice. To start, you'll need to decide on the gender of the voice. You can choose either male or female. But that's not all. You'll also want to select an age bracket. The options here are young, middle-aged, or old. These details will serve as the foundation for your unique voice, so take a moment to think about what fits your project best. Once you've set the gender and age, it's time to choose an accent. In this step, you'll find a variety of accents to choose from, such as American, British, or Australian. Don't worry if you're unsure which one to pick. You can try them all. The next part is really interesting, as you have the chance to adjust the accent strength using a slider. This will allow you to determine just how pronounced the accent will be in your generated voice. It's all about the nuance here. A subtle touch can really make a difference. Now that you've got the basics down, let's add some character to your voice. You'll notice a text box where you can input descriptive tags or traits that reflect the vocal style you want to achieve. This is your opportunity to get creative. You might type in words like raspy, deep, or energetic. Maybe your project calls for a warm corporate tone or something more playful. Whatever it is, this is the place to describe the personality of your voice. The more specific you are, the better the outcome will be. All right, we're almost at the finish line. Once you've added your character prompts and are happy with how everything looks, it's time to generate your voice. Click that big Generate button, and within moments, you'll get to sample a short clip of the voice you've just designed. This is a thrilling moment, so listen closely. If you love what you hear and feel that it fits your project perfectly, go ahead and give it a name. This will allow you to easily locate it later. Lastly, don't forget to save your new voice directly to your Voice Lab. By doing this, you'll ensure that you can conveniently use it for your text-to-speech scripts or any other applications you have in mind. And that's it. You've successfully created a unique voice using ElevenLabs voice design. Remember, the more you experiment with the different settings, the more you'll discover just how versatile this tool can be. Thank you for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more content like this. Happy voice designing!